हॅलो गाईज, वेलकम टू अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ कोंकणी फंडेज. आज हांव तुमचे कडेन पॉडकास्टिंग विशीं उलोवपाक सोदतां. थोडी म्हायती जितली म्हाका हो पॉडकास्ट सुरू करतकीर जितली मेळ्ळा ती तुमचे कडेन शेअर करपाक सोदतां. नाव पॉडकास्ट एज अ कॉन्सेप्ट मे बी एज अ टर्म इंडियन तरी आमकां चड खबर आसचो ना, बिकॉज हो रिसंटली हांगा आयला, मे बी लास्ट 1 या 2 वर्सान. इंडियन जे मोस्टली प्लॅटफॉर्म ऑर कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स आसा दे आर कायंड ऑफ रिलायंग ऑन यूट्यूब किंवा टिकटॉक किंवा आतां इंस्टाग्राम रील्स. आणि हे सगळे प्लॅटफॉर्म जे आसा ते परदेशी US ऑर युरोप ऑलरेडी आसा. सो देर आर लॉट ऑफ कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स ऑलरेडी अवेलेबल देर अँड they kind of have made it into their career. आणि इंडियेन सुद्दां देर आर लॉट ऑफ कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स जे युट्यूबाचेर किंवा टिकटॉकाचेर ऑलरेडी अवेलेबल आसा. आणि दॅट्स वाय जे नवे कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स येवपाक सोदतात तांकां ह्या प्लॅटफॉर्म्साचेर येवन आपल्या खातीर एक नवी इमेज क्रिएट करपाक मातशें खूब चॅलेंजींग जातलें, बिकॉज पीपल हॅव ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड फॉलोईंग द एक्झिस्टींग कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स. ना पॉडकास्टिंगचो कॉन्सेप्ट असो की जे तुम्ही कंटेंट क्रिएशन व्हिडिओ ऑर व्हिज्युअल माध्यमान करता, दिस इज सिमिलरली इन अ ऑडिओ फॉर्मॅट. बेजीक सिनॉनीम म्हणपाक शकता इज रेडिओ. आतां रेडिओचे जे सिरियल्स ऑर शोज येता RJs एंड ऑल गिव देअर शोज, दॅट इज ऑल्सो कायंड ऑफ पॉडकास्टिंग बट ओवर रेडिओ. पॉडकास्टिंग इज ओवर इंटरनेट. तुम्ही ऑफलायन तुमच्या घरान बसून तुमचो शो रिकॉर्ड करपाक शकता आणि मागीर तो अपलोड करपाक शकता अँड देन पीपल कॅन हियर दॅट. नाव देर आर एडवांटेजीस टू दीस, देर आर डिसएडवांटेज ऑल्सो टू दीस. सो हांव तुमकां ह्या शोचेर हांच्या विशीं चड म्हायती दिवपाक सोदतां. पॉडकास्टिंग तुमी सुरू करपाक सोदता देन तुमकां स्वताक एक क्वेश्चन विचारूंक जाय की तुमी पॉडकास्ट ऑर एनी कंटेंट क्रिएशन कित्याक करपाक सोदता. इज इट जस्ट टू मेक मनी ऑर तुमकां आवड आसा ऑर यू आर पॅशनेट अबाउट सर्टन टॉपीक दॅट यू वॉन्ट टू शेअर वीथ अदर पीपल. जर जो सेकंड ऑप्शन तुमकां लागीं आसा देन आय थिंक यू आर गोईंग इन द रायट डिरेक्शन. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तुमकां विचारूंक जाय की वॉट इज दॅट आय वॉन्ट टू शेअर वीथ द अदर्स. why I want to start a podcast and what is the output that you want to generate. So म्हजो एक एडवायस आसा सगळ्या जे नवे कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स जावपाक सोदता इज डोंट फोकस ऑन द मनी एस्पेक्ट ऑफ इट. फोकस ऑन द कंटेंट or what you want to deliver out of this podcast and then focus on it. For YouTube or TikTokers, I think many times even if you look at the content of some of those, it's more on driving to get quick subscribers or followers and to generate monetization out of it, right? But not everyone is successful, and even in those cases they work really hard to get that content out, to get a lot of networks out of it. So whether it's a normal video platform or like a podcast or audio platform, you need to know that the content is the most important thing. So content बरो ना or तुमची डिलिव्हरी बरी ना ते तुमकां फॉलोअर्स मेळचे ना, कोणी तुमकां आयकपाक आउट ऑफ द वे वचून आयकुचो ना. करेक्ट. सो focus on the content. Now there are different formats, right? की तुम्ही कसलो पॉडकास्ट करपाक सोदता. Now either you are a solo podcast presenter, म्हणजे तूं एक टॉपिक घेता, let's say you are into a technology business, तुका टेक्नॉलॉजी खूब आवड आसा and you want to discuss about technology or you want to share your knowledge of technology. So your episodes or podcasting could be around technology, where you are the only person talking in a structured manner on different topics related to technology. Maybe if it's like related to software, or if it's related to maybe a language like C, and you want to talk about different features of that, but you can structure your episodes according to that. In some cases people want to talk about लायक दे आर रेकमेंडेशन्स ऑर दे रिव्यूज म्हणजे आता ते फिल्म रिव्यूज असता ऑर म्युझिक रिव्यूज असता दे वॉन्ट टू हॅव एन एपिसोड ऑन दॅट सो ते स्ट्रक्चर तुम्ही करपाक शकता की you see every podcast needs to have or in this when you are talking alone is the start where you set the context you have to have a proper middle part where you give more details and then there is an end maybe like a summarization of it so this basic structure even आम्ही धाकटेपणान नेमका लेटर बरोवपाक शिकयताले की स्टार्टिंगान तुजो कॉन्टेक्स्ट इंट्रोडक्शन मागीर जे मेन बॉडी आनी मागीर समरायजेशन तसंच तुम्ही आता सिंगल समज पॉडकास्टर आसा जे प्रेजेंट करपाक सोदता जस्ट गिव दॅट कॉन्टेक्स्ट एंड देन कंटिन्यू गिविंग द एंटायर delivery or what you want to present. Then there are certain cases wherein you want to interact with other people, maybe tuje offices like colleagues or maybe in a certain business area you want to talk to them so that we understand their views about it or there is some question answer session. In that case that is also a very interesting kind of podcast and people would like to hear these things because every week or it depends तुम्ही कशें स्ट्रक्चर करपाक सोदता तुमचो टायमलायन कितें आसतलो की तुमी एवरी वीक आपलो ब्रॉडकास्ट एपिसोड येतलो ऑर एवरी इन अ वीक ट्वायस अ वीक येतले तुमी बट एन्श्योर दॅट इज कन्सिस्टंट सो दॅट पीपल हू हॅव लिसन टू यू दे नो दॅट ओके ह्या सॅटर्डे समज जाल्यार नेक्स्ट सॅटर्डे नेक्स्ट एपिसोड येतलो सो दे कायंड ऑफ आर वेटिंग फॉर दॅट नेक्स्ट एपिसोड समज तुजो आतां सॅटर्डेक आयलो आनी मागीर एक म्हयन्यान अचानक आयलो मागीर 2 विकान आयलो आनी देर इज अ वेरिंग टायमलायन देन पीपल आर नॉट व्हेरी शुअर वेन टू फॉलो वेन टू एक्सपेक्ट द नेक्स्ट एपिसोड तशेंच सिरियलींनी आसता पयलीं आतां तरी एवरीडे डेली सोप जाल्या बट पयलीं आसतालें की लायक CID एवरी सॅटर्डेज येतालो सो आमी सॅटर्डे रावताले रामायण संडे येताले एवरी संडे लोक रावताले इतलो रामायणाचो एपिसोड so you need to be consistent with these episodes so I was talking about interviews so you can plan for okay which guest to get on your podcast and what to talk and also structure it म्हणजे पहिली इंट्रोडक्शन करा then what questions you are going to ask where the guest is also comfortable and mostly allow the guest to talk because that's what your podcast is about and then summarize it but don't give your opinions about it let the guest do the talking and then there are other things like if you have a parallel business or you want to kind of advertise the business you can talk about the business or you can give talk about the business or maybe to the hotel asa restaurant asa you can talk and that could be your podcast and you can get guests there also giving reviews or recommendations so पहिली तुम्ही कंटेंट आपलो डिसायड करा की तुम्ही कितें उलोवपाक सोदता देन वी गो इनटू की हाव टू गेट स्टार्टेड सो आतां आमी पळयलें की वॉट कायंड ऑफ कंटेंट यू कॅन हॅव हांवें जेन्ना हे पॉडकास्ट स्टार्ट करपाक चिंतपाक सुरू केल्लें आय वॉज थिंकींग की आतां खंयच्या प्लॅटफॉर्माचेर घालतालें आनी आय लुक्ड एट सर्टन यूट्यूब videos and even some blogs and what I figured out was this Anchor.fm जहाँ हमें वो आता podcast शुरू किया that is the best for starters now why because it's very easy it's just free sign up you don't need to pay for creating a podcast or uploading your videos there are other sorry not videos your episodes there are other podcasting platforms which kind of charge a minimum monthly kind of there is a monthly charge wherein you have to pay to upload your videos and also there is a limit on how many videos or how many hours of video that you can audio you can kind of upload. I was just checking one where they were saying okay $16 per month for around 2 hours of affordable. 2 hours is a long time. You can split it across depending on how you've structured your podcast, right? Like some podcasts like 6 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, not a big like 30-35 minutes kind of episode. I know there are bigger podcasters like Joe Rogan who have like 3-4 hours podcast and those are long podcasts and they have long or big following and there are kind of sponsors who like to hear those but for starters I think Why I started off with Anchor was, first of all, it was free sign up. There was no limit on how many episodes you can have per month. What would be the length of the podcast episode? कितलो करपाक सोदता तो आणि यू ओन इट ते तांच्या रुल्स हातून सुद्दां आसा की यू ओन एवरी कंटेंट ऑफ इट. एंड द अदर मेजर एडवांटेज जी हांवें पळयली एंकर थ्रू पॉडकास्ट सुरू करपाची की वन्स तूं आपलो एपिसोड एंकराचेर अपलोड करता they themselves automatically distribute it across to other platforms. पळोवपाक गेल्यार म्हणजे अपार्ट फ्रॉम एंकर ते ब्रेकर ऑर गुगल पॉडकास्ट, एप्पल पॉडकास्ट, ओवरकास्ट, स्पॉटिफाय ह्या सगळ्या प्लॅटफॉर्म्साचेर सुद्दां तुज्या खातीर डिस्ट्रिब्यूट करता. सो जे तुमकां व्ह्युअरशीप मेळटली ऑर लिसनरशीप मेळटली ती फक्त एंकराचेर न्ही बट ऑल्सो ऑन दीज प्लॅटफॉर्म्स ऑल्सो ते तुमकां आयकुपाक शकतले. आनी तुका एंकराचेर एनालिटिक्स सुद्दां मेळटा की खंयच्या रिजनांतल्यान कोण तुका आयकता ऑर खंयच्या प्लॅटफॉर्मांतले थ्रू तुका आयकता ऑर वेदर इट्स मेल फिमेल युअर एज ते सगळें. सो दॅट अलावज यू टू kind of reach to a bigger audience actually. So that is the biggest advantage I saw. And basic जे तुका मदीं ट्रान्सिशन्स घालपाक मेळटा ऑर टेक्स्ट घालपाक शकता. यू कॅन एड आर्ट टू ईच ऑफ द एपिसोड्स. ते सगळे तुका एडवांटेजीस मेळटा. नॉट व्हेरी ग्रेट एडिटींग फेसिलिटी दॅट यू गेट बट बेसीक एडिटींग जी मेळटा टू एड डिफरंट सेगमेंट्स एंड क्रिएट वन एपिसोड. So that's what I saw, and that's why I went ahead with Anchor as my platform to upload my podcast. You guys can also to me सुद्धा वाचून घेयात. And in lot of blogs I found that Anchor is the easiest to start your podcast on. Now secondary question, obviously तुम्ही सगळे जातले की monetization जावपाक शकता through Anchor. So currently Anchor monetization at least Indian available now only for US citizens जे USतल्यान पॉडकास्टिंग करता वाया Anchor तांकां monetization आसा. इंडियन ऑल यू कॅन सी इज तुका कितले डॉलर अमावंट एक्युमुलेट जाता बट ते तुका कन्वर्ट करपाक मेळना. तुका तुज्या बँक अकाउंटान तुका हाडपाक जायना. At least currently in this region and outside of US खंयच available now. So that's why I say if monetization is your only kind of reason to come into podcasting, then probably you need to rethink. And if it's both, then you can probably investigate or research more on other platforms available in India. But there will be more give and take, and you need to then take the decision. But if it's more like content sharing and reaching out to public, I think Anchor, because it is easy to sign up, easy to upload a podcast and easy to distribute, and not even you distribute but Anchor themselves distributing. त्या खातीर म्हाका दिसता की Anchor is the best way to start your podcast. Next is okay, तुवें आपलें काम केलें, पॉडकास्ट घालो आनी इवन तांच्यांनी डिस्ट्रिब्यूट केलें. बट यू नीड टू बी अ लिटल स्मार्ट एज वेल. म्हणजे तूं ट्विटर किंवा फेसबूक किंवा इंस्टाग्राम ऑर आनी खंयचें माध्यम आसा यू नीड टू शेअर द लिंक्स रायट. एटलिस्ट की बाबा म्हजो पॉडकास्ट ह्या नांवाचो आसा, हांवें ह्या आज हो एपिसोड अपलोड केला, सो तांचे लिंक्स मेळटा. सो यू कॅन प्रॉब्ली डिस्ट्रिब्यूट इन युअर ग्रुप्स ऑन फेसबूक किंवा ट्विटर किंवा वॉट्सॅप ग्रुप्साचेर सो दॅट एटलिस्ट इनिशियली पीपल can listen to that and give you feedback. So I think initial maybe like 5 episodes at least or 10 episode more, you will not get it like perfect, right? Because you are also learning. So this feedback will be very important, and you need to reach out to your at least the immediate friend circle ki baba aika and give me feedback, and that would be very valuable ki तुझा structure जो आसा तो सारको आसा काय ना तो. लोक खूब हें सुद्दां विचारता की इक्विपमेंट कितें जाय ऑर कितें स्पेसिफीक मायक बी घेवपाचो. I don't think so unless you going to spend that much of time also, right? Because currently I don't think we are using this as our career choice, right? That will come later if this gets more popular. Currently you just want to share your content. आय फील जो तुझो जर आतां स्मार्टफोन आसा आनी आतां स्मार्टफोनान खूब बरे स्पिकर्स येतात, सो यू कॅन रिकॉर्ड युअर ऑडियो ऑन युअर मोबायल फोन एंड अपलोड इट. दॅट इज वन. इवन लॅपटॉपाचेर प्रॉपर हेडफोन विथ मायक घालून सुद्दां तूं रिकॉर्ड करपाक शकता. सो I don't think there is a real need to get all this equipment. Internet गरजेचें because you need to upload it to Anchor platform or any platform of your choice. But initially, at least until you are sure that you want to take this forward, equipmentaचे चड invest करनाका. Focus more on the content that you want to share. तें sharpen करात so that the message reaches the end audience. Because audience सुद्दां आतां we need to see, right? रेडिओ आयकत आसतना तुजो पॉडकास्ट कितें आयकुपी, गाडी चलयता और काम करता तेन्ना तुजें आयकूंक जाय, बिकॉज आय कॅन मल्टीटास्क इन दॅट वे. सो यू नीड टू रियली बी focused on the content, keep it very short and crisp, and ताजेर फोकस पयलीं आसूंक जाय when you start the podcast. मागीर जर हळूहळू तुका चड जर फॉलोअर्स मेळटा and there are recommendations ki baba what topic ge or talk about this, at that time you can think whether you want to invest in a proper microphone or any other kind of device. But right now, for all the new people who want to start podcast, I think of an idea, think of what you are passionate about, ती कशी प्रेजेंट करपी ताचे चिंतात आनी just get started. तुमकां हो एपिसोड आवडला जाल्यार म्हाका म्हज्या इमेलाचेर कळयात, koknifundays@gmail.com. ऑल्सो कोंकणी फंडेज ट्विटराचेरूय अवेलेबल आसा, सो तुमी तुमचे कमेंट्स म्हाका दिवपाक शकता आनी आयकूत रावात. देव बरें करूं. हॅलो, हांव गोंयकार आनी हांव तुमच्या खातीर नवो पॉडकास्ट घेवन येता, कोंकणी फंडेज. हो कोंकणी भाशेंतलो एक एकुलतो पॉडकास्ट आनी हातून आमी डिस्कस करतले आमचे रँट्स, न्यूज, व्यूज, रिव्यूज, स्पोर्ट्स, पॉलिटिक्स आनी जें तुमकां जाय तें. आमचो पॉडकास्ट आयकुपाक विसरनाकात. देव बरें करूं.